Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale in St. Catherine. House number 1. House number 1 is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house found in Gregory Park, St. Catherine. The size of this house is 1,658 square feet and it's been listed for 20 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a look. First up, we have the carport. And the next is the veranda. Followed by that, we have the living and dining area. And next are the kitchens. Here's the first kitchen. And this is the second kitchen. We then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, and this is the third bedroom. This house has 4 bedrooms, however only 3 were shown. Next is the bathroom. Out of 2 bathrooms, only 1 is being shown. We then move from here and head to the back of the house. And that would be the end of the tour for house number 1. House number 2. This 6-bedroom, 3-bathroom house is located in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. The size of this house is 1,902 square feet, with the lot size being 2,178 square feet. This house is currently on the market for 20 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. So first we have the living area, dining area, and this is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedroom. Out of 6 bedrooms, only 1 is being shown. Next is the bathroom. This house has 3 bathrooms, however only 1 is being shown. Next we have the back veranda. That would bring us to the end of the tour for house number 2. House number 3. This 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house is found in New Harbour Village in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. The size of this house is 850 square feet and it's been listed for 20 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area along with the kitchen. Next is the bedroom. Out of 2 bedrooms, only 1 is being shown. Lastly, we have the bathroom. And finally, we're going to head to the back of the property. This then brings us to the end of the tour for house number 3. House number 4. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house is found in Sligoville in St. Catherine. The size of this house is 1,600 square feet and it's currently on the market for 20 million Jamaican dollars. Now I must say there are a few sections in this house that is incomplete and we're going to take a look at that as well. So first we have the living area, dining area, and next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, and this 3rd bedroom is one of the incompleted rooms in the house. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, and this is the second bathroom, which as you can see is incomplete as well. From here we're going to move to the back of the property. And that then brings us to the end of the tour for house number 4. House number 5. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house found in Gregory Park, St. Catherine. The size of this lot is 3,811 square feet and it's on the market for 20 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have living area number 1. And this is living area number 2. Next are the kitchens. Here's the first kitchen. And this is a second kitchen. There were no images provided for the dining areas. Next are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. And this is a fourth bedroom. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is a second bathroom. We then move from here and head to the back of the property. That would then bring us to the end of the tour for house number 5. This also brings us to the end of the video. So if you are interested in any of the houses that were previously shown, I will be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.